The National Electrical Code, or NEC, specifies a maximum number of overcurrent devices allowed on a branch circuit, and that number is 42. This limit is not arbitrary, it is based on several key factors relating to electrical safety and equipment capacity. Firstly, the capacity of the panel board busbars is a critical consideration. Panel boards are designed with busbars that can safely handle a specific amount of current. Placing a maximum of 42 overcurrent devices on a branch circuit helps to ensure that the busbar capacity is not exceeded. If the busbar capacity is exceeded, it can lead to overheating, which can then cause insulation breakdown, arcing, and potentially electrical fires. Secondly, conductor ampacity plays a crucial role in limiting the number of overcurrent devices. Branch circuit conductors must have sufficient ampacity to handle the expected current draw from the connected loads. The 42 overcurrent device limit helps prevent conductors from being overloaded. Overloaded conductors can experience excessive heat buildup, which can damage the insulation, reduce the lifespan of the conductors, and create a fire hazard. Thirdly, space limitations within panel boards and other distribution equipment influence the number of overcurrent devices. Panel boards have a finite amount of physical space available for installing overcurrent devices. Limiting the number of devices to a maximum of 42 ensures that there is adequate room for proper installation, maintenance, and safe operation of the electrical system. Cramming too many devices into a confined space can hinder proper ventilation and increase the risk of overheating. The 42 overcurrent device limit was initially introduced in the 1937 edition of the National Electrical Code. In the 1937 NEC Article 230.2 specifically stated, the maximum number of single-pole circuit breakers permitted on a panel board shall be 42, and the maximum number of two-pole circuit breakers shall be 21. This regulation has been consistently maintained and carried forward in subsequent editions of the NEC, including the most recent 2023 edition. The fundamental reasons for this limit, including panel board busbar capacity, conductor ampacity, and space limitations, remain valid and essential for electrical safety. It is crucial for electrical installers and designers to understand and adhere to this NEC requirement to ensure the safe and reliable operation of electrical systems. The NEC 42 overcurrent device limit is a cornerstone of electrical safety practices. By understanding the underlying reasons for this limit, including panel board busbar capacity, conductor ampacity, and space constraints, individuals can better appreciate its importance in preventing electrical hazards and maintaining the integrity of electrical installations. Compliance with this provision, as outlined in Article 230.2 of the 1937 NEC and subsequent editions, is vital for ensuring the safe and effective operation of electrical systems.